What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a pretty big day. We've gotten a nice update from Twitch. We actually have gotten a TikTok/YouTube Shorts editor right on Twitch that allows you to take your streams and your clips and edit them down into shorts and either download them or upload them straight to YouTube right from Twitch. This is a pretty big update. People have been talking about them doing something like this for quite a long time. There is some downsides to how they implemented it, but I do think this is a step in the right direction, and there's nowhere to go but up from here. So without further ado, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to take your Twitch streams and your clips and turn them into shorts right on Twitch in their very own editor. So without further ado, put on my headphones and we'll get to work. All right, so obviously navigate to your Twitch right here. I'm on my Twitch channel. We're going to go up to the top right and we're going to go to Video Producer. On the left-hand side here, we're going to have clips. These are any clips that are made during your stream. They're all stored right here. So these are all clips that either I have taken or someone else has taken during my live streams every night, Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Link to that in the description below if you guys want to hang out with me while I'm live. But anyways, let's go to this clip right here. Let's give it a play. All right, that's a great clip. So the first thing you're going to do here is click on Edit and Share Clip. This is going to bring up their editor. Look at this, guys. So right here, you can see this is what the vertical clip is going to look like. You can choose to have it either just full gameplay or split with your camera. Let's just do split with our camera for the purposes of this video. I also muted it so that we don't hear it on repeat. And what we can do is hide or show our channel name. There's no customization here, right? So it's going to just look like this, or it's going to not be there. You have those two options to choose from. Obviously, if you're uploading on YouTube Shorts or TikTok, you kind of do want that in there. So we'll leave that on. I'm sure eventually, as time goes on, they'll give us the opportunity to change this, make it smaller, make it larger, change the graphics, whatever. But for now, this is great. What we're working with is pretty good. This box right here, you can move this around and that will be basically what it's showing for the gameplay portion. Obviously, we want that centered in the screen. And then over here, this is our webcam. If you don't have a webcam, you don't need to worry about this because you'll be using the full option. But if we're going to do split, if this box, let's say, is up here, for starters, when you come to this page, you're obviously going to just drag this over your webcam. You can resize it. You want it to be more zoomed in on your face. I like mine kind of like that. I think that looks great. And there we go. So now we have this clip. This is what the short is going to look like right here on the left-hand side. It looks pretty good. It's super quick to make these edits. And then you're just going to hit next. And it's going to render the clip right here, and then you can connect your YouTube and upload it straight to YouTube as a YouTube short, or you can download the clip here. Now, what are the issues with this? Okay, so for starters, my main issue with this is that when you're creating clips from your stream, right? I create clips from my stream with a button on my stream deck. It is not perfectly segmented with the beginning, middle, and end. I am hitting a button, it's clipping the last 30 seconds or whatever it may be that I wanted clipped, and that's it. So within this editor, there's no way to edit the beginning or the end of the clip. You could just use this right here to create this short that we've seen, download the clip, and then chop it up in your own editor. But the thing is, you can't really get rid of that fluff at the beginning or the end of the clip, which is a huge negative for me. But this feature is still really useful, right? You can upload it to YouTube, upload it as unlisted or private, go into the YouTube editor, trim out the beginning or the end, whatever you want, and then publish it. Or like I said, you can just download the clip. Like here, I'll show you guys. As you can see, the clip is finished rendering, and I can just hit download and download this clip right here, throw it into my editor and chop it up. And basically all I have to do is just re-export that and then upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. So definitely a really useful feature. And, you know, for starters, this just coming out is massive, right? The fact that they're actually doing something like this shows me that they are actively thinking of ways to implement features like this to help creators, because they know creators now need this to grow. Right? You need to be uploading on YouTube Shorts. You need to be uploading on TikTok to grow your stream. So this is a huge step in the right direction. Now, what do I think can be improved in this editor? Let's go back and take a look at the editor. I'm gonna hit start over at the bottom here. So we selected our clip, right? Number one thing that I would love to be able to do is trim and edit, like I was just talking about. Being able to trim, edit, maybe add some background music, royalty free, of course, would be nice, you know, some kind of timeline where we can edit the clips, maybe throw in some images or videos or GIFs or audio, things like that. So basically a small timeline, maybe right down here at the bottom where we have a few layers where we can edit things like that would be really nice. Being able to edit the length of the clip itself would be really, really nice. Being able to change how your channel name is shown. Like, to me, this is a little bit too big. For me, I would have it a lot smaller, and maybe I would be using an animated graphic to show this instead of this static image that they have here. But for starters, this is okay. So right off the bat, those two things I would definitely like to see implemented in this as well. Maybe the ability to also link your TikTok account and upload straight to TikTok, like just how you can do with YouTube. But other than that, this feature is great. Maybe some camera masks. So you can have the ability to maybe change your webcam into like a circle or a diamond or something like that, instead of just having the standard rectangle that we see here. That would be a cool feature to implement to this. I want to know what you guys think down below. Let me know what you guys would like to see them add to this editor that they have implemented completely by surprise. I had no idea this was coming, but I would love to know what you guys think about it. And I want to see if anyone else has some really good suggestions. And let me know, do you guys think you'll be using this? Is this going to be a useful feature? I'm really curious to know how many people think they're going to be using this going forward to help create their YouTube shorts and their TikToks and things like that. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's all I've got for you today. I thought this was a really cool update and I just wanted to share it with you. So if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you don't miss the next time I post a video. And if you want to hang out with me live, I'm live Monday through Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern time on twitch.tv/hammerdance. I'll drop a link to that in the description below this video. But anyways, guys, that's all from me. I want you to keep those hammers up and I'll see you next time.